Hi everybody, it's Peter Zellums, Griniflix Adventure 8. Welcome to another video. Today's video is an unboxing. It's an unboxing of a light. Continuous light, good for video and good for stills if you're doing stills with continuous light basically. K&F CONCEPT have sent me this light to review. It's a lithium powered single light. Its temperature can be changed from cold to warm. So it's an unboxing. I want to see whether I can use it for my YouTube videos. My plan is to work out whether this light is any good for this sort of setup. Currently you can see the setup that we have right now. I'm using a softbox, and this is a continuous light also, and I can only do on and off with that. I want to see whether I can use this, whether I can create a similar effect. I can talk about the different accessories I can use, whether I bounce this off something, whether I have it behind me, but you'll be able to see the impact of this single light studio photography. Also, I'll go through the components of this light and my first impressions. K&F CONCEPT are a manufacturer of camera gear, and it tends to be all the accessory gear that you need for your setup, whatever you're using. So whether it be lights, they have generic cameras as well, tripods, filters, all sorts of things. And also there's an anniversary promotion going on right now. So I'll give you some discount codes you can use, get an extra 15% off. And a lot of these discounts do stack on top of whatever discounts have been provided on the website already. The details will be in the video and in the description. Oh, just a quick note, while you're watching this video, I'm not sure whether you knew, but I'm associated with a number of companies, and those companies can provide discounts to my viewers and subscribers. So all you need to do is go to adventure8.com.au, just click on the website. Yes, let's go shop discounts, and you find all the different companies that I'm associated with. So for example, SWYFTX, so you can set up a crypto exchange and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. iTECHWORLD for camping, lithium batteries, backup systems for your home. REDTIGER for dash cams, Vamos electric bikes, and all sorts of different discount levels are available, and there are discount codes associated with each one of those, whether it be Adventure 8 or something else. So just go to the website. Hope you can take advantage of the discounts, and back to the video. Let's continue with the unboxing. All right, so it's a single light. Very simple, very straightforward. And in the box you have another box, which is great. And it's great when all these accessories come in a case. There's nothing worse than having loose accessories and then you have to find a case to put it in. There you go, it's a case. Unzip it and we'll have a look at what's inside. There are some instructions. There is a diffuser light, or a diffuser. You have your main light body here. A charging cable. This is a USB-C to a USB-C. And then also we've got a USB-C, and it looks like it's a DC plug here, 19 volt, 3.4. It charges it at double the rate at almost 60 watts. Then we've got reflector, one more component, and that is the actual, I guess what do you call it, a handle that this light gets attached to. All right, well let's have a look at all these components. So we've got the handle, we've got the cables, we've got the unit, and we've got the diffuser. Now this is a Bowen style mount in the sense that it's got 3 lugs, but it's not the same diameter as a full Bowen mount, so unfortunately it's not interchangeable accessories to the light. It's just something to know. And there'll be some details in the website with regards to other accessories that are available for this. Just goes on top of this shell here. All right, there's an inside and outside. That's reversed. That's not the right way. This rib's got to be on the inside. And then that can fit around the shell. Ease it on, and then you get the diffuser sitting in the right place. All right, it's sitting in the right place now. What else can you do? You can flop it in. Does that put it? Oh yeah, it's still enough from the light, but then you can't get it back out. Okay, it's out now. Operation. I have charged it up. There's an on-off switch here, so I'll just press that. There's a little fan in here. It just starts up momentarily. And it says rotate encoder to turn on. Okay, it's on. All right, yep, so the encoder button is the left button here. It's not touch screen, but you got 4 buttons there, and then 2 knobs. Okay, these knobs, besides rotating, also do click in and out. All right, so I presume that's on. That's a dimmer. And I can change the intensity right down to 0. And then right up to 100. Okay, that's full intensity there. There you go, different effects. So there's a lot of light, pretty bright. Yeah, okay, it is bright. And that's with the diffuser on. That's my color there. There you go. So now we've got more of an orange, yellow look. So that's at 2700 Kelvin. And then when we go to the other extreme, we go up to 6500 Kelvin. This video light is on 5500, so I can match it to that. So this is 5500, and so is that now. And now I've got an additional light. This may not be very artistic, but it is an additional light. With the dimmer, if I press it, it goes up in 25% increments. So 0, 25% power, press it again, 50% power, press it again, 75, 100% power, and then off. Being battery powered, it means you don't have to connect any cables, and you just put the light where you want to light, put it. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to experiment. Oh, okay, well, we've got it here. I've got the handle. It's got a little knob there, which can fit in the hole, and then a screw thread. So it only fits one way. So we can put the handle on. Let's move on to the next task and use this now instead of this softbox, and let's see what sort of lighting we can have. So right now, the lighting that we have a large softbox there, which gives us nice even light. All right, so I've got a light stand here, and here we have my light. So I'll just, so you can see it's already got the 3/8 plug here, so I can just put that in there and then screw it on. All right, I'll set up this light on this side of me, and that way we've got a bit of a comparison. So this could be, I suppose, a fill-in light to the main light, and we'll see what sort of impact that we have. Screw up, maybe, I don't know, somewhere around there, about there, and that's 25%. Go a bit higher, there. Oh, there is an app as well, so you can control these lights via the app on your phone, which I just haven't set up right now. So that can be a fill-in like that. If I turn that light off, we'll be able to see what sort of impact that is. 5% is good. All right, so, okay, if I'm using this light as a main light, 5%, but it's really harsh, so it's going to make really harsh contrasts. All right, so to soften that up a little bit, I can put on the diffuser on the light. So let's do that. So I presume that the diffuser is gonna also maybe take down 1 or 2 stops. So let's go up to, in anticipation, I'll go up to 10, 20%. Okay, so now we're operating at 40% with the diffuser. So you can see how much the diffuser impacts the lighting. So we were at 5%, I think. So, and we're at 40% power now with the diffuser. So that's 5 to 10 to 20 to 40, that's 3 stops of light that the diffuser absorbs, but then spreads it out. So it should be a little bit softer lighting. All right, so if I want to have it a more softer lighting, then I need to bounce that light off something. And I'm going to be using my reflector here. Because I'm bouncing, I'm going to have to go really bright, I think. We'll go like that. Like that. And let's go extreme. Let's go 100%. And let's see what impact that is. Okay, so now I'm bouncing the light off the reflector here. It's a white reflector. And that's going to give me another type of lighting. It'll be interesting reviewing this video, and which I will do. I will actually put still images, clips from each one of these, and we'll be able to see what the light impact there is on the presenter. We can see the reflector and also the light. Now the last combination I was going to try is having this light behind me. So basically it's a sort of a light silhouette around me, and then the residual light will then bounce off the reflector. We're bouncing light. So if we go down below and down below. All right, so is this the shittiest idea of having this one light, having a bit of a reflector there? That's not going to work at all. It's a video light. It's a stills light. It's a light wherever you need continuous light. It's battery operated. And you can take it anywhere in this case. So that's pretty convenient. I'll just take this off. It's easy to charge using the different cables, either at 30 watts or at 60 watts, depending on your power source. When I'm out in the field, I like to use power stations so that I can basically just have additional charging power wherever I need it. And yeah, so in that sense, this is a convenient little package. Like all lights, you have to experiment and then work out the way you get the desired image that you want. All right, well, I think, oh yes, there are certain modes. You can get this to flash also, to create like lighting effects. So if you are using it as an auxiliary lighting of some kind, you can have strobe effects, all sorts of wonderful effects. Looks pretty pretty convenient. And check it out on their website, K&F Concept website. There are links there. There's some discount codes that you can use, which do stack, and you might be able to take advantage of the anniversary discounts that are running right now. Hope this video has been useful for you. If it has, then give it a thumbs up. That's how you support the channel. At least you let me know also if you like the videos. And if it's the first time to my channel, you haven't already subscribed, then press subscribe, press notifications. You'll be notified when the next video is out. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers, bye.